Kalakwachero, we are here in Holiday Inn in Ghent. Look, meron pa silang pang shine ng sapatos. Wow, sosyalan. O, diba? So, lilinis ang sapatos namin. Come and join us. Yes, we are here by the Holiday Inn in Ghent and it's along the highway. Ayan, pagkatapos naming masira ang kahapon. So, deserve naman namin ang magpahinga. And this is their breakfast. Yummy, yummy breakfast with Ate Ems. Ayan, breakfast tayo. Ano bang breakfast nila? Anong meron? Oh, ayan, meron silang pancake. Cook your own pancake. Actually, iinitin lang. At meron din silang, ayan, for the bread. At bread. And some salad and fruits. Yan. At cereals. At malaking Nutella. O, nakaluto ka na ng pancake, Ate Ems. O, diba, marunong na siyang magluto ng pancake. Belgian pancake. O, diba? Yummy! With a big Nutella. Ayan. Ano nakalagay dyan? How about if it is house start? May coffee. Ayan. Okay din naman ang kanilang breakfast actually. O, may eggs, scrambled egg, different kind of egg. O, ayan. Walang masyadong tao sa breakfast, kami lang ata tao dito, kaya ilang pirasong pancake lang ang naandyan. Oh, ayan, may bread. Kain muna tayo, breakfast tayo. Ayan, yummy. Oh, sige na, luto na yan. Kunin muna at kakain na tayo, te. Oh, ayan, mag-breakfast na tayo. Picture muna tayo bago mag-breakfast as usual. Good morning mga kalakwachero from Ghent. Oh, diba? Ayan. Oh, magliligpit pagkatapos mag-breakfast ha. Huwag kalilimutan. At huwag dalhin yung malaking Nutella. No, kaya dalhin nyo yan, nawala yan. Ayan, ito yung aming hotel room. O, diba? 2-in-1 ang aming hotel room kasi si Ate M sa kabila. Oh, at may maganda kaming slide. Ayan, yung magandang pwede kang mag-init ng pagkain. O, di ba ganda, 2 kwarto in 1. And along the highway, ayun yun, highway, kita nyo dumadaan ng mga sasakyan. Dito lang yan sa highway ng Ghent. Maganda talaga. And then meron silang slideshow about their hotel. Maganda din, oh. Kita mo yung hotel nila, how it looks like. Oh, ganyan siya. May 2 bed for 3 person. Actually, this one is like for family with children. Kahit 5 person, 3 sa kabila. So, this is Ghent. Ayan, maglalakwat siya na kami dyan. So, thank you guys. Samahan nyo kami later.